That breaking news, an Orange County judge sentenced a teenager charged as an adult to 5 years in prison for the shooting death of a childhood friend.
Family and friends of 18-year-old Jacob Farrell say that sentence from a plea deal isn't long enough. WESH 2's Justin Shecker was at this afternoon's hearing for Arden Torres. He's live outside the courthouse in downtown Orlando. Justin.
Good evening. Jacob Farrell's father told WESH 2 News his family was not involved in the plea deal negotiations. Family and friends of the 18-year-old are outraged with the resolution to this manslaughter case. Michael Farrell left the Orange County courthouse dissatisfied with the punishment for the teen who shot and killed his 18-year-old son Jacob in December 2023.
To me, this isn't justice. I mean, this just teaches kids, hey, if you go kill somebody, you get a slap on the wrist. And we've already got an epidemic of young people killing young people. It's senseless.
Family and friends came to court with signs saying justice for Jacob ahead of the plea deal hearing for now 17-year-old Arden Torres. He agreed to plead guilty to manslaughter and possessing a gun as a minor in exchange for 5 years in prison and 2 years of supervised probation.
No mother should have to watch her child die.
Inside the courtroom, Jacob's mother, Melissa Farrell, broke down in tears during her victim impact statement.
I just want him back. It should have never happened. And if this was such an accident, then why didn't he point the gun down at the ground? Why did he have to point it at Jacob, period?
Prosecutors say Torres didn't believe the gun was loaded when he pulled the trigger and shot Jacob in the back of his head. Torres was 16 at the time. Jacob and him were childhood friends.
I want to apologize to Jake's parents, Missy and Mike, for all the pain and sorrow that I've caused. I know that the pain will never go away, but I hope it will lessen over time. Many lives have been affected by my reckless behavior.
State Attorney Monique Worrell says there is no good outcome when one child is dead and another is headed to prison.
At the end of the day, we can't bring Jake back. 10 years couldn't bring him back. 20 years couldn't bring him back. And this was an accident. The evidence in this case shows us that this was an accident.
Before Torres was fingerprinted and handcuffed, the judge told him to make the most of the second chance he's being given.
You can make choices that will either set you up to redeem yourself after you get out or take you further down the path that you've already on.
And State Attorney Monique Worrell also says going to trial would have been terrible for Jacob's family. The Lake Brantley High School graduate chose to be an organ donor, and after his death, he helped save other lives. Covering Orange County Live in downtown Orlando, I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.